In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a zigzag line in Adobe Illustrator step by step. Whether you're creating dynamic backgrounds, custom borders, abstract designs, or just experimenting with vector effects, this quick technique will give you clean, fully editable zigzag lines in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a couple of small adjustments that can completely change the look of your zigzag. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add the zigzag line. Now, go over to the toolbar on the left side and select the Line Segment tool. You can also quickly activate it by pressing the # key on your keyboard. Once selected, click and drag anywhere on your artboard to draw a straight line. Don't worry too much about the length right now because you can always adjust it later. With your line selected, we're now going to apply the zigzag effect. Go to the top menu, click on Effect, then hover over Distort and Transform and choose Zigzag. As soon as you click it, a zigzag settings window will appear. The first thing you want to do in this panel is check the preview box. This is very important because it allows you to see the changes happening live on your artboard as you adjust the settings. Without preview turned on, you won't be able to see what you're doing until you press OK. Now let's adjust the two main settings that control the zigzag appearance: size and ridges per segment. The size option controls how tall or deep each zigzag point is. If you increase the size, the zigzags become more dramatic and sharp. If you decrease it, the zigzags become subtle and tight. You can experiment by slowly dragging the slider or typing in a specific value until you get the look you want. Next is ridges per segment. This controls how many zigzag points appear along your line. Increasing this number will create more peaks and valleys, making the zigzag tighter and more frequent. Reducing it will create fewer, wider zigzags. Play around with this setting to match your design style. Now here's a key step. Under the Point section, make sure you select Corner. By default, Illustrator might use Smooth, which creates a wavy line instead of sharp zigzags. If you want that classic sharp lightning bolt style zigzag, Corner is the option you need. As soon as you click Corner, you'll notice the points become sharp and angular. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click OK. And just like that, you've created a zigzag line in Adobe Illustrator. One important thing to remember is that this is a live effect. That means you can still edit it. If you want to adjust the zigzag later, simply select the line, go to the Appearance panel, and click on Zigzag to reopen the settings. You can tweak the size, ridges, or switch between smooth and corner anytime. And that's it. That's how you quickly and easily create a zigzag line in Adobe Illustrator using the built-in effect tools. It's fast, flexible, and completely scalable since it's all vector-based. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.